Built on the industry-leading Microsoft Dynamics 365 cloud platform, Service 360 is designed to meet your toughest service challenges head-on, giving field service and repair teams the agility to make faster, more effective decisions that improve first-time fix rates and customer satisfaction. It helps modernize operations with intelligent automation, delivering real-time performance insights and improving service delivery. Service 360 can help put your customers first with streamlined operations and data you can trust. Service 360 extends the power of the Microsoft Cloud Platform with pre-built industry solutions for your unique requirements. Solutions include business insights, business development, relationship intelligence, customer service, service management, advanced field service, rental management, repair center, and product search. Service 360 allows you to gain a 360-degree view of your organization, anytime, from any location, on any device. With AI-infused apps, deep data and analytics capabilities, and modern workplace tools, you can harness the power of Microsoft to drive automation, real-time actionable insights, and deliver results. Explore what's possible for your organization and schedule a demo today.